Okay, this is my celery. I'll have this for breakfast, I'll have this for lunch, and I'll have this for dinner. See, when I harvest in big containers like this because that's the amount of food I get. With you guys, you're like this. Look at my 5 little tomatoes, my 12 little tomatoes today. Dude, that's pathetic. That's pathetic. No one should be gardening like that. That's not even survival. That is like ignorance of agriculture tied in with persistence to what you believe without understanding the biochemical, without knowing the fungi, not knowing all of the living organisms involved, and bringing your food to the table. And that's what we do. We stimulate the microbes in the soil to bring your food to the table. All you do is put your seeds and plants in a planter, and you come out and harvest. Have you ever seen anything like that before? That's how fresh my harvest is. All right? This is probably weighing about 3 pounds, 3 pounds of celery in my hand. In this small area right here, we probably grow about 80 pounds of celery. 80 pounds of celery. I'm about to pick me some breakfast, and I want some celery. I'm going to show you what I picked for breakfast so you can take a look at it and see if it's cool with you. Wait, let you guys know. All right, so the first thing I do is I come out and give me some celery. Again, it's going to last me for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And love it. Torpedo pie. Look at that stalk. That stalk is beautiful. I'll be eating off that stalk, man. I'll be eating off that stalk, and it's beautiful. I love it. 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 Hey guys, what's going on? DarRanderson, So I need a bunch of celery. I'm probably going to use some in the morning because I'm sauteing down for breakfast. I want some left over in the evening time, so I could use it in some pork that I have. I want to cook it down with some pork and some other things also. So what I'm looking for is a head of celery. Excuse me, a head of celery. And so what I normally do is that I don't really come and take the full plant out, but I want to take the full plant out so you guys can see what's going on, okay? Let me see. I see this one's pretty big. The world's first self-growing planter. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter, and you will have food for the rest of your life. I have an unused walkway. In fact, just literally throw seeds or seedlings in and grow huge amounts of food. Are you kidding me? No thing in the world can beat that. And that's why you need to have a torpedo pie.